Oggi in studio abbiamo l'onore di...
Today, as our guests, we have Mr. Michele Guiatti and Mr. Davide Vaccina, Managing Directors of Hydreco Hydraulics Italia. Welcome. At EIMA this year, we are witnessing the presentation of new products. So we see so many novelties, and you're also presenting an innovative product. Shall we talk about it? Yes, sure. We have taken this opportunity at EIMA to exhibit a new product of ours. It is a product that completes a historical range that we had been manufacturing for many years. A pump with cast iron housing. To complete the series, we needed an aluminum alloy housing pump. So we developed a pump with aluminum housing and cast iron flange and cover in different sizes. Group 1, 2 and 3. We have size 2 at the moment, but in the next few months we will also have size 1 available, group 1, and by next year we will have size 3 also available. So the project for these pumps will be completed by next spring with all 3 groups available. Now, over and above the new products, you have also a new location, a new headquarters. Yes, the historical headquarters of Vignola was recently combined with a new offices in Parma for the production of these pumps, the aluminum pumps that complete our range. David Brown is a well-established brand for gear pumps. In Parma, we want to produce these new pumps. We are located along the Via Emilia. Our factory in Vignola was already too busy with other products, so we had to extend to Parma. That's a good sign. New opportunities and also a source of pride for our company to open a new factory, yet along the same axis, that of the Via Emilia, which is particularly dear to us because also our suppliers are located there. And we've also increased our headcount and our production capacity. Well, one problem which is coming up, and we have a problem that we have witnessed lately, is raw materials and the higher cost of raw materials. What do you think as a manufacturing company? What do you think can happen in the near future as far as this issue is concerned? Well, we have heard about this for many months. There are difficulties in raw material procurement. This is true for plastics, electronic components and other raw materials. We feel this pressure. We're trying to find alternatives, therefore. Production will have to continue, but the final result is perhaps not the one we would normally expect, because the fact that we can't find raw materials is penalizing us. And also, there has been a considerable increase in the cost of raw materials. So on the one hand, you can't find the raw materials on the market, and the materials that you can find are really too expensive. How do you think you can retain productivity in spite of the increasing prices and be competitive on the market? Do you have plans for this? Well, one first plan is that we're suffering for this, but we have tried not to increase prices to our customers. This is our goal for this year. We're trying to see whether we can avoid increasing the price of the finished product. But just for this year, well, our intention is positive. It's a good one, but of course, it's hard for us to do this. We had good intentions. We're trying to do so. We've analyzed the situation and said, let's try and make some effort, waiting for the situation to change. But unfortunately, it's not changed. There's even a greater gap in the cost of raw materials, so probably we will have to increase prices next year. By the way, after a long period of time, we have EMA in presence. Are you happy with the results of these first days? What do you think? Well, first of all, we are happy because we have met in presence again with colleagues, friends, other companies, customers, and all those who are in this business. It's a positive signal and it's a challenge that we have embraced. We were very happy for this. The idea of a fair, of being here in person, has a very important added value for us. We know that we have to take precautions, we have to be careful and cautious, but we were able to meet quite a number of people these 2 days. Well, the organization has helped us a lot. You know, the corridors, the aisles in the various halls make the movement of people easy and safe. We believe this is a challenge we should take. Progressively, we must try and go back to normalcy. This helps even in moments of difficulty. You know, the raw materials, the difficulties in delivering. We talk a lot about all this every day, and being able to discuss these issues every day in presence is a great fact. Everyone is willing to meet in person. We had lots of people coming to our booth to meet us. Being able to meet in person again and talking to the others in person is something amazing. It's extraordinary. You know, 2 years without being able to meet in person is really amazing. Yes, we agree. Thank you. Anyone else? Anything else? Well, I'd like to finish on this point. The message that we would like to bring here is the willingness of all our group to continue investing in these on-site events. We want to continue being here because we believe in the added value of personal relations. Thank you very much for these good news. Thank you very much for the novelties. Enjoy the fair and have great success. Thank you.